If you're suffering from lower back pain, then you have probably heard of the importance of strengthening your gluteus medius muscle. Welcome back, I'm Fred. Today we're going to show you a 4-minute exercise routine that you can do anywhere to strengthen your gluteus medius. If you do this exercise consistently, you should see immediate relief of your lower back pain. Now, let's get started. The first exercise will be done standing. Keep your pelvis leveled and move your leg outward when slowly coming back. For the next exercise, you will lay on your side, bend your hip to about 45 degrees and knee to about 90 degrees. Then move your leg towards the ceiling, then slowly coming back. For the next exercise, you will perform a single leg squat. Bend your knee until the heel of your floating leg touches the ground. So there you have it, a 4-minute exercise routine that you can do anywhere to strengthen your gluteus medius. Getting this muscle stronger will help you reduce your lower back pain and getting you back to function or whatever goals you may have. If you like the content from today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, we will see you next time.